Hello and welcome to day 2 of the Olympic Games 2012, the official game. I'm actually on day 2 as I said, and I managed to get a medal in my last one. I don't want to show you that because it was very similar. Obviously it's just the same race but the finals, and you just see a little medal, me getting a bronze medal, and that was it. So we're just going to select the next 2 events and we'll try and pick something completely different. So I'll go for women's freestyle and the men's curling. Is it curling's? Let me say so. At the velodrome, so it's new places as well. Should be pretty cool. So this will be a first initial. This is my first little goes in the aqua centre. Yeah. So I haven't seen much sort of press on this game yet. Like, as in, not many people have mentioned it or played it. That's probably why I got a reasonable amount of views on my first part. It's quite addictive actually, trying to beat your times, and you have to try and get the right motions on the controller. You have to press A, the right sort of same sort of motion, and just try and improve out your speed. Right, so I'm going to look at a tutorial first because I haven't done this yet, so I want to see how you actually do it. So we just press A to go in, like the sort of. Okay, so it's similar to the let's use the right stick to swim. Pull the right stick down to swim with the right arm. Oh god, that sounds quite difficult. Okay. Okay, so you have to sort of time that right. Oh man, that is. Oh, okay. It's quite difficult on the old. Once you get going, it's okay. So that's not quite a fast motion, I think. As long as I do that right. Oh damn it! Press any button, X, B, or Y. Let's press X. So that's just to swim around again. Okay, so when you're under, okay, this is good. So a full final was pressed A in the race to lunge for the wall. Time each stroke to when the repetitive arm is fully extended to build the most speed. While underwater, the faster you tap A, the faster the athlete kicks. Okay, fair enough. Right, so it's qualifying. Hopefully I'll do okay. It's only 100 metres, so I think it's back and forwards once. Just normal freestyle, nothing fancy.
Well, there'll be plenty of competition. These athletes equally matched,
Palmer.
not much between them.
I don't think they're based on real athletes, I think it's made up. But I don't think a lot of the countries actually decided who's actually going to be fighting for them in the Olympics.
Good start, absolutely essential.
So got quite a good start, I think. So that little green line's quite useful. I'm in second position, I'm doing okay. And I'm slowing down. Now I'm 5th, damn it.
Good turn needed. Strong kick off the boards and away. China.
Come on, we need to get. No, what am I stopping for?
In second, and the Netherlands third. Now into
There we go. I'm 6th though. Come on.
China qualifying first.
4th. Ooh, is that just about in? I was trying to get the motion right. I was struggling. I think I've got qualified, which is good. Just not bad. I'm happy with that. She seems quite chuffed with herself, so that's good.
Right, not the best performance this athlete's ever going to put in, and I've got to be honest, once they were in the water, there was always a thought that they weren't going to be quite up with the pace. Their technique just not quite holding together.
I think I qualified 4th, which is good, just about. It's creeped in there. So now it's onto the bikes. So as you see, you have 2 qualifying rounds, and you just go straight into the finals. So you pick 2 events for each day. I'm not sure it's based on the real, the actual events themselves, when it's actually placed. But yeah, so there's quite a few events to pick from. Apparently there's over 30, according to someone who commented on my last video.
Welcome to the 6,000-seat Olympic velodrome built
This is another new.
for the 2012 games.
This is quite a sexy sort of stadium. This one looks really good. I've gone past it a few times. It's really good.
Across the whole of the Olympic Park. It took a
Ignore
team
that
of
guy.
26 carpenters about 8 weeks to install the track. More than
So
3.
it's, whoa, it's technical again. Okay, so you just tap A. Is that what I do? Because you need to try and steer, you need to try and stay. Whoa, a bit wide there. This feels very dodgy. Okay, sprinting uses stamina. Cruising regains stamina. Streamline behind opponents to regain stamina. Okay, fair enough. Okay, this sounds pretty, not technical, but it just takes a bit of practice, I reckon. I'll come first on my first go.
In 1976.
So I'm trying to get past this guy.
Gone
too wide.
Get
Get out the way!
In first place and looking good, France. The Netherlands move towards the front in second place.
Oh, not going too bad. Oh, hitting people. I'll fall off my bike at this rate. So I think that's my stamina.
Brilliant cycling.
That's my stamina next to my speed. Oh, so I keep blocking
Now
them.
this is where the sprinters come to the fore.
It's getting dirty.
Physical out there. You get physical out there.
Oh, no.
Down the home straight. This is where they're going for qualification. It's Netherlands in first.
Final sprint.
France in second. Under 100 metres to go.
Come on! Oh, come third. That's not bad.
In first place.
Okay, I'm bashing into him. I would have got completely disqualified for that, I reckon, in real life. Just batting the crap out of people. Oh, a bit harsh words there. At least I qualified. So it's only the top 3 that actually qualified as well.
Third place for
Time wasn't too bad either.
who have moved on very, very nicely to the
So it's on to the finals. So the first one's swimming. Almost finished day 2. This one I feel quite good at. At the start it went really well, and then I slowly sort of lost the rhythm and went a bit wrong in the last race. Hopefully that can improve on this one. It does have times coming up top, so you can compete against friends and stuff. Lucy Palmer. Ready for some swimming? She's got little goggles on. Let's do this.
The crowd goes quiet. Silence as the athletes take to the blocks. We're off for
Come on, good start, good start, good start, good
meters freestyle final. The 25-meter mark approaches. Very close through 25
Get the motion right, the motion right, the motion right. Third position.
Good strength in the stroke.
No, what have I slowed down for? No.
This performance not as strong as expected. Leading the pack, China. Japan looking good in second.
I'm gutted.
Australia.
It's going really well as well.
25 metres less than to go. One final push for 10 metres. They touch now. China take
No, I'm 5th.
Japan take home silver. And Germany take bronze.
It's
The
gut-wrenching.
British athlete misses out on a medal with a 4th place finish.
Oh man.
Well, I know there'll be some
2
disappointment
seconds
shared by
away.
many
I'll
on
do that
the
again
performance.
quickly,
There
I
were
think.
some signs
For
of
practice.
greatness, but it's not been achieved this
I'll
time.
do that again quickly.
Keep your eye.
One retire token. Let's try to get through this nice and quickly so you don't get bored of seeing menus. If I don't get it right this time, it's
2
just,
lengths and
well,
about 50 seconds.
oh, God, just press that.
From Olympic
oh, it's
glory.
far too eager there. It's fine, yep, okay.
Well, the nerves really will be jangling after that false start. Later in the water, a good clean getaway.
Oh no, I can't get on this.
Back to
There
the
we go.
surface, and we start to see the early leaders. Still some distance to go, but at 25 metres, the early leaders in control.
No, don't slow down. Keep going,
A
love.
staccato
That's it.
stroke isn't enough. More free-flowing. Disappointing kick there. In first place, China. Japan holding on to second position. In third,
Come
Australia.
on.
Into the
Come
final
on, where's Brennan?
25 metres. We're entering the final 10 meters, so close to the line as they touch now. China.
Ah, fourth again.
Second place on the podium.
It's more difficult than it looks, I tell you. You won't believe me. Personal best though.
The only thing you can say about that performance is that it was average. It was an average
Personal
entry
best.
into the water. They have
Slightly faster than the last time though.
And in the end, an average result.
So now it's time for the men's cycling. Or curling. I quite enjoyed this one last time. It's quite technical, so you have to sort of try and judge the stamina. And sprint when you can. And it's probably best to probably sprint on the straights, I guess.
Welcome to the Olympics.
So hopefully I can get a gold on this one. I'm predicting a gold, hopefully. So I'm hoping. My first gold. Why do we start last for?
All the way around the track, bringing a wall of noise to the competitors. The thoughts are this is going to be the fastest track in the world, with overhead conditions as well as track conditions all made perfectly to get quick times.
Whoa, getting a bit closer.
Having a good rhythm and a tactical brain. In a good position though at this stage, but we'll have to fight for every inch of track.
Oh, God.
We'll hear the bell. Final lap. All still to do here. In first place, the Netherlands.
I need to judge it
This
right.
is really great stuff into the final straight.
Come on! No, I've got a second. Damn it! Oh, it's really tense.
A place on the podium,
Damn it.
and a silver medal. Great
So that's
Britain can
it.
celebrate
That
tonight.
second place isn't too bad.
One last look then at the final standings.
Oh man,
as
how
the
tight is
Netherlands
that? At the
finish
top.
with gold.
We're so close. Just don't have enough stamina right at the end.
Fully
Bashing them doesn't help either.
gold medal.
There you go.
This is the
That's
moment
me getting
where
second place with
finally
some
the
weird
athlete
coloured
is
hair.
crowned the new Olympic champion.
So now I've got a bronze and a
Emotions
silver
running high,
from
no
day 2.
doubt, as they step onto the podium.
So that concludes that part. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you press that like button, subscribe, and come back soon. Thanks for watching.